That's right, kiss to her. Not no more. She's going good for you. You turned her very well there. Make her stop. Pull back with both reins. Pull back with both reins, not turn. Both. Emma, you got to pull with both. Okay, say whoa. Now put your reins down. Good job. All right. Slide off. Here, come here. I'll help you. Okay. Stand here now. Come back here. Hold your hand right there and right there. Keep it right on the horse and don't move. Okay? Keep it right on the horse. Don't move.